Hello everyone. The cricket season is on, and I'm sure, like me, a lot of people spend their evenings in front of the television screen watching the matches. This time around, there is a tough competition among teams. There is good performance across teams. Most of the matches are ending with a nail-biting finish. But you would have also noticed one thing. The teams with a strong batting lineup, but lacking in bowling and fielding, are not at the top of the table. To win in this game, you not only need good aggressive batting, but also strong tactical bowling and the right defense fielding to win in this game. The same is true for the wealth creation journey of an investor. Equity, fixed income, precious metals, everything plays a role in the investor's portfolio. A large part of the investor's journey in wealth creation is dependent on the right asset allocation. True diversification helps an investor reach the financial goals with less volatility. At Bajaj Finserve AMC, we present the Multi-Asset Allocation Fund, which invests across asset classes, equities, fixed income, and precious metals. What will be our strategy for equity part of the portfolio in the multi-asset fund? In equities, we are going back to the basics and asking, why does an investor invest in an equity stock? For capital appreciation and dividend income. Companies that consistently share their profits with their shareholders through dividends are dividend stocks. Now, within this universe, if you find companies that can grow their profits and maintain their dividend payout, these are the companies that can not only sustain their dividend payouts, they also increase their dividends over the years. These are growth plus dividend payout stocks. In Bajaj Finserve Multi-Asset Allocation Fund, the equity portion will be invested in these growth plus dividend payout equities. What are the benefits of this equity strategy? Typically, dividends become valuable when interest rates start going down. Also, dividends in a mutual fund scheme get the benefit of the pass-through structure. High dividend yield stocks are typically trading at low valuations, so the valuations are attractive. And lastly, dividends reinvested in growth help compounding. How will the fixed income component be managed? In the fixed income component, we'll take active management calls on duration depending on the interest rate regime. We'll be investing in both sovereign bonds as well as corporate bonds. But the principle is of safety first. So it will have high quality credit papers. We'll be using our in-house models on macroeconomy and quant analysis to decide on the interest rate curve. How do we look at the precious metal side of this portfolio? Gold doesn't generate any income like equities and fixed income, but it provides a good diversification to these assets. Gold is uncorrelated with equities and fixed income, which means it moves slightly differently than these assets. Think about how our grandparents used to use gold. They kept it as a hedge against any uncertainty, against wars or any conflicts that come up. Our parents used it as a diversification, as a hedge against any loss in business or job or any other asset. This generation uses gold because of its uncorrelated diversification to hedge against currency risk, to hedge against inflation, and also provide a good diversification from other assets in the portfolio. If you combine all the three, you get benefits of equities, fixed income, and precious metals in one portfolio. We present the Bajaj Finserve Multi-Asset Allocation Fund, which benefits from diversification in equities, fixed income, and precious metals.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.